A Nigerian man came to the UK in 2023, that's last year, with his wife and two children. And what happened to him since 2023 till this year, 2024, will shock you. All because he helped Oyibo woman. Yes, that landed him to jail. Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time here, my name is Stella. On this channel, I talk about my life here in the UK, what is happening around me, and I share information. I also do reaction videos, which today I'll be reacting to one. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are the real G. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. Well, like I said, today I'll be reacting to endurance stories. Some of you must have been hearing the gist. Like me, before I used to hear the gist, but I don't know what exactly happened before. Especially the fact that sometimes I meet people at work, people be like, oh God, UK is becoming tired, this is happening, stuff like that. It was said that he came to the UK 2023 with two children, and since then he has been in prison until this year 2024. And to make the matter worse, he was not even guilty. This is also a lesson for people to learn. Be careful out there. Don't trust people. You don't even know who is who. I used to hear people talk about this endurance, and since then, nobody has given me update. Not until I saw the GoFundMe of endurance, that's when I realized the exact thing that happened. Because honestly, I used to hear a different story. Before I dive in, please, if you're looking for gold plug, like if you're looking for better original gold, if you're in the UK or outside the UK, this lady can post it anywhere. But yeah, she is in the UK. Sure Gold Plug. I'm going to leave her Instagram handle on the description below for easy access. Check her out. She sells the best. And if there's any type of jewelry you want her to get, you should definitely get you the best. So for your Sure Gold Plug, click on the Instagram down below and check her out. This is really a heartbreaking one for this guy. This is what it says on his GoFundMe. It says, Endurance came to the UK in August 2023 with hope of building a better future for himself and his family. Tragically, just a few months later, he was caught in a heartbreaking and unjust situation that turned his family upside down. Now, after being discharged and acquitted, Endurance needs our help. So now in the incident, what happened? In November 2023, Endurance went to the train station to welcome his wife from work. There, he was approached by a white lady who said she was stranded and needed cash. Though he offered to transfer money to her, she insisted on cash. Wanting to help, he agreed to bring £10 from home and they exchanged numbers. When Endurance returned with the cash, the lady demanded £40 instead and began making advance towards him. Disturbed and feeling taken advantage of, Endurance pushed her away and left in anger. Out of kindness, he later tried to check on her by calling and texting her but received no response. 2 weeks later, police arrived at Endurance home and arrested him. Despite being denied bail multiple times, he remained hopeful that justice would prevail. After a long and painful wait, Endurance was finally released in May 2024. The impact: Endurance imprisonment has left his family obviously confused. His wife, unable to work since November 2023, has been struggling to make ends meet, borrowing money from friends, families to pay bills. They have two young children that were in Nigeria at that point, who desperately need their parents' support. The wife had again borrowed money from friends, family to collect children from Nigeria due to the uncertainty immigration rules. This ordeal has drained their resources, left them in debt. So please and please, if you're watching this video, I'm going to leave a link to the GoFundMe on the description below for those of you wanting to help this family. You cannot even imagine what they are currently going through at this time. Please and please, nothing is too small, nothing is too big. Support them if you can. He went further saying the goal for this is Endurance rebuild his life, clear their outstanding debts, and support his family. This fund will cover basic living expenses, legal fees, and help them get back on their feet. Your generous contribution will help a world of differences in their life. How you all can help is to donate any amount. Share the GoFundMe on your channel, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, as much as you can. Please, let's support these people. In conclusion on this, it said Endurance showed kindness to a stranger. It's led to an unimaginable ordeal. Now he needs our kindness and support to rebuild his life. Together we can help Endurance find justice and restore hope to his family. For those of you interested, like I said, I will leave a link on the description below. This is why some people don't like helping people. Do you understand? To be honest, just imagine the case of this endurance. He won't even support her with £10. Do you understand? Or Igbo woman, or you want to dash a Igbo woman £10. Imagine, no, and then all of this now landed him into trouble. So this is what I had in the past. They said that when Endurance wanted to give her that money, the lady accused him of rape. That was the reason why they arrested him. And when they arrested him, they asked him the day that the incident happened, where was he? He now lied that he was, I don't know whether he said he was in church or something. But because of that lie, they now feel like something is fishy, that he was supposed to say the truth. Do you understand? Although the Oyibo woman still went to the police station to say, oh, he did not do anything to me, yo. But the police people refused to agree. Now black person, what do you expect? They left him there. They left him there. What am I trying to say? If you're an African person, be careful around all of these Oyibo people. You know why? Because sometimes you might not do anything. Maybe they are the one that even like you. They can accuse you of anything. To be honest, I have got brothers in this country. Like I have two brothers in this country. Every single day, this is what I always tell them. Be careful. Be careful, especially of these Oyibo people. I don't just trust them, to be honest. Now, I'm not tagging all of them. I'm not saying all of them. I'm just saying we all have to be careful as Africans, because if anything like this happen, our own matter, it is hard for them to leave us. So we all have to be careful of our own self. And honestly speaking, what I even notice these days is that sometimes when you're going to town, you see so many people on the street. This has even happened to me. One guy, one time like that, he approached me and was begging me for money. And I was telling him, why is it that you're not looking for a job? I told him, I can give you an agency number to contact. And he told me the F word. I was like, I thought this person was a beggar. I am telling you the truth. Some of these people are just junkies. Some of them are just lazy. That's why sometimes you see some of them say they're having mental breakdown. I know that our mental health really matters, but I feel like in this country, I feel like they abuse it. I don't know if you understand. Like so many persons that are not working on the street, they'll say mental health, mental health. I just feel like they abuse the system kind of here. Personally, I just feel like some of them are lazy. Now, if you have been to jail, I know it's difficult to get job. So those ones that have been to jail, maybe they are in the street begging, is understandable. But if you have not been to jail before, what exactly are you waiting for? Okay, maybe you lost a loved one. It's true that one can also affect. But I just feel like most of the time, these people just take advantage of the system. And guess what? Rishi Snack is planning on stopping this benefit from, I don't know if it's this year, I think from September. I don't know how true, but this is what it says about benefit. And that is why I feel like it will even be tight to get job now in this UK, because if they stop this benefit, everybody will search for job. Everybody will look for a job, because nobody will stay at home and say, oh, government will give me money for this one, government will give me money for that one, because Rishi Sunak is planning to stop it. So this is what it says. Rishi Sunak pledged to remove benefit for people not taking jobs after 12 months, meaning people that are on benefit, they will give them like grace of 12 months. Look for job, search for job. Do you understand? It went further saying, people who are fit to work but do not accept job offer will have their benefits taken away after 12 months, the Prime Minister has pledged, outlining his plans to reform the welfare system if the Conservative win the next general election. Rishi Sunak said unemployment support should be a safety net, never a choice. He promised to make sure that hard work is always rewarded. Mr. Sunak said his government will be more ambitious about helping people back to work and more honest about the risks of over medicalizing the everyday challenge and worries of life by introducing a raft of measures. In the next parliament, they included removing benefit after 12 months for those deemed fit for work but who do not comply with the conditions set by their work coach, such as accepting job offers, tightening the work capability assessment, so those with less service condition will be expected to seek employment, a review of fit note system to focus on what someone can do to be carried out by the independent assessors rather than the GPs. If you just imagine a country where they are even begging you to work. For those of you that don't know, I'm in Nigeria. In my country, there's no way people will see job and they'll even be begging you come and do this job and you'll be doing shakara for what? Imagine here, they will now be begging you to work. Every day you say mental health, you stay at home, just because you're getting free money from the government. I know that somehow, if they stop this benefit, it will make people start working, and that way it will also affect the recruitment for immigrants to come here to work. But to be honest, the system here, I don't know. I just feel like most of them are abusing the system. You see some families working hard, and some other family, just relax and saying, oh, they cannot work because of their mental health. I just feel like it's not fair, to be honest. Just look at what happened with the case of this endurance. Shaping now from helping somebody. So please, let's support him, and this is a lesson to everybody. If you watch this video and you learn one or two things from today's video, share this video. I believe some persons will learn one or two things from today's video. I'll see you guys in my next post. Bye guys.